You changed my life today with the plumpgasm. It's just so, my lips are, as soon as it dried down, I was like, more, 92% plumpage.
I mean, I just got put in a time machine, and I'm back 20 years ago, and I still feel like that person. And what we wanted to do is have the privilege and the pleasure of assembling a beauty roundtable today.
We are surrounded by beauty legends. The A-Team are here. So Charlotte and Chris, you two helped with Drew's look. Can you just walk us through the whole glam process?
We looked at you today, you came out with this, Chris actually, you said to me, I'm gonna do the blonde hair. And then I was like, oh, let's do grungy kind of Kate Moss, sexy kind of eyes, and the kind of bush, and we were like, and then we were looking at the premiere, and darling, I mean, so we did the rock chick look on you.
There have been so many iconic beauty looks through the years that have inspired us through decades. I wanna know some of your favorites.
Marilyn Monroe. I mean, gentlemen's prefer blondes. We just did a whole Hollywood campaign. In fact, a lot of the products I created are all based on Hollywood. I literally thought about those Hollywood tricks about how you put filters into the makeup and work with the scientists to do that. And so I bottled all of these things because makeup is all about lighting.
We want to know from all of you, in your years of experience, what is one tip that real people watching right now, if they want to feel beautiful, look their best, what do they need to know?
I think this naughty little thing here, beauty light wand, this everyone needs in their life because you put it on the top of your cheekbones and it's literally like painting on light.
One application.
In one application.
Charlotte, the way that you formulate your makeup is in a way that gives confidence to women because it's foolproof. In that sense of user-friendly, you've thought of everything, you've formulated for it. I'm a little bit remembering who I am, and you've given me something back today that I haven't been in touch with in years.
Wow, I think a lot of people can relate to that. Like, you're making me a little nervous with this look because you look like a movie star. You know what I mean? Like, I hung out with her this morning, she was like my friend Drew, and now you look like movie star Drew right now.
I'm also wearing Charlotte's new fragrance. It's a fragrance called More Sex. And it is the most incredible thing I've ever smelled. It is so beautiful. It has notes of leather and
sandalwood, musk, eldron.